Hello everyone,
Howdy,
my name is Nanny Tepi
my name is Tegun Hoksun.
and we
We
are
are
from
from
an
HT5.
EBS. In this documentary, we will explore one of the biggest challenges facing our islands and the whole world, which is known as climate change.
We will explain how human activities are causing it, the effects we see in Tibet, such as sea level rise and coastal erosion, and why it is important for everyone to take part.
Our goal is to raise awareness and encourage solutions because climate change is not just a distant issue, but it is happening here and now.
So, join us as we take a closer look at climate change and its impact for our future.
What is climate change? Climate change is the long-term change in the weather and temperature of the Earth, mostly caused by human activities. It happens when greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, making our planet hotter and our weather more extreme.
In Kiribati, climate change is not a future problem. It is here, it is now. And one human activity, landfills, is making it worse.
Disposing of waste in landfill is a human activity that accelerates climate change. In our communities, rubbish is often dumped in open.
As organic waste like food scraps or garden waste decomposes without oxygen, it produces methane gas. So methane gas is a greenhouse gas that is over 25 times more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. This invisible gas builds up above us, strengthening the greenhouse effect and heating our atmosphere. However, when methane and carbon dioxide rise, they trap energy from the sun. So instead of escaping back to space, heat stays inside our atmosphere. This process changes the planet's energy balance, melting ice caps, raising sea levels, and making storms more intense. So the story of the landfill does not end in one village, but it stretches across the globe.
Sea level rise is swallowing our lands. In Gilbert, homes are washed away, cemeteries are eroded, and families are forced into
This happens because global temperatures are rising, causing ice in the polar regions like Antarctica and Greenland to melt into the ocean. At the same time, the water in the sea becomes warmer and expand, making the sea level to rise even more. These changes cause waves to reach further inland, washing away homes and land in Kiribati. Furthermore, another challenge that the people of Kiribati face is the change in weather, where sometimes there is too much rain, bringing floods and strong storms, while other times there is no rain at all, where the land becomes dry, causing our crops like taro and breadfruit struggle to grow, and fresh water becomes harder to find. These local impacts are directly connected to the gases from human activities like landfills. The change is global, but the suffering is local.
However, there is hope because around the world, people are turning landfill problems into a climate solution.
In Canada, Aquaterra developed a landfill gas to energy project where all collected waste are brought to landfill and compacted those waste in an engineered bioreactor landfill cells. Each cells include a layer of compacted clay, plastic linear, and geotextile mats. On top of those, the sand layers are poured first and then tire strips and are covered with geotextile mats. Then waste are placed into the cells and compacted by equipment weighing over 50 tons. Since organic waste has a high moisture content and easily decomposable, they produce a larger amount of landfill gas more quickly than a non-organic material, while at the same time free up space in the landfill for more waste. In the bioreactor, the fluid collected is called leachate, which is intended to be recirculated along with the other fluids into the waste, enhancing the rate of decomposition. The piping system that are constructed into each cell collect the landfill gas created from decomposing waste. 55% of methane gas is then pumped to a generating station where all water is removed while gas is burned and then drawn to the generator building where the gas is turned into electricity.
And now, the produced electricity is being used to power both water and waste treatment plant facilities. To recap this innovative technology, first, household waste like organic waste and other garbages are transferred to the landfill. Then, all of those waste decomposes where the methane is harnessed by a generator to power our water and wastewater treatment facilities. This helps to get fresh clean water and high quality treated waste water back to rivers or ponds.
Still, the most powerful solution starts with us.
Of course, less waste, less pollution contribute to a brighter future.
Together, we can fight climate change and build a cleaner and brighter future.
This is my island in the sun, where my people have toiled since time begun. Though I may sail on many a seas, yours will always be home to me. Oh, island in the sun, built to me by my father's hand. All my days I will sing in praise of forest waters and shining sand. When morning breaks the heaven and high, I lift my heavy load to the sky. Sun comes down with a burning glow, mingles my sweat with the earth below.